Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for a creator on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your login details and log into your OnlyFans account. Once you're logged into your OnlyFans account, on your screen, at the bottom you're gonna find options like home, notification, create new post, chat, and your profile. But if you go to top right corner, you're gonna see two icons there, search and three-dot menu. Tap on search bar, then type in the account of the creator that you want to look for. Once you've tapped on the account username, it's gonna suggest you the creator that you've just searched for. All you have to do is tap on their profile, then you'll be able to find that creator on OnlyFans. And guys, that's it. That's how you search creators on OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.